So guys, another unboxing. Apple Watch Series 6. Serious. Whatever. Apple Watch 44 millimeter space gray. I was trying so hard to get the gold, but they were sold out. They were telling me that it was gonna take about a month to a month and a half for them to get it back in stock. I did not want to wait. So I said, you know what? Why not go with the space gray? So here it is. Space gray unboxing of the Apple Watch 44 mil. Let's get to it. Oh, you always got to protect your screen. Always protect your screen. I think I paid $14.99. Did I just say I paid? Hold up. Rewind. I didn't even buy this. I didn't buy this. My wifey bought it for me today. Because this coming up Tuesday, January 19th, it's my birthday. So she hooked me up. Bought this one for me. And then the Apple Watch 4, I gave it to my son. The Apple Watch 2, I gave it to my youngest son. And now I have the 6. So yeah, I had to clarify that. So let's get to it. Boom. Once it's open, you can't return it. Well, you can, but then they'll charge you like $45. Ooh. I almost opened it up the wrong way. Ooh. I gotta keep reminding myself to put it on camera view. Ooh. Watch bands. You hear my birds chirping? That's every time I do an unboxing. I like this. I really do. Ooh. Yeah. Let me go shut my birds up. Back. They can get real loud. I'm sorry about that. I can't wait. What is this? Instructions. Don't need that. It's not my first Apple Watch. What do people call this? I thought I had one up here, but the iPhone has a charging block, correct? What do you guys call this? If it's not a block. Burner. 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 Why it looks so small? It looks so small, right? All right. I'm upset. I wish they had the rose. I keep saying rose. That pink one. But I did not want to wait. I'm trying to open this. I'm trying to open this, but man, nobody's gonna steal these Apple Watch freaking belts, you know? How does that look? A bit confused. Anyways, I am a bit. I don't even know how this thing goes. Is that it? Doo-doo. Took it out. And my birds are starting to annoy me again. But birds gonna be birds. I'm trying to put this in here. Oh, the watch fired up. I hope I did it right. The watch has decided to fire up. And I'm using my iPhone to record this. Oh man, what a beautiful, beautiful watch. It's asking me to pair it. I hope it doesn't disturb the video. I'll be right back. All right, so the Apple Watch All right, so the Apple Watch just finished updating, installing, activating, and all that. I still gotta have the my girl put on this thing, which is the screen protector. Always get a screen protector. I don't care how careful you are with your Apple Watch or your iPhone, iPad, or whatever it is that has a huge screen. Always protect it. You can accidentally swing your arm and hit a door. You know what I mean? Protect it. Protect your investment. But yeah, here you have it. Let me take it off. Let me unlock it. Voila. Ooh. So that is it for now. Apple Watch, space gray, 44 millimeter. Got it as a gift. Wifey bought it for me from Best Buy this morning. I'm excited. I'm honestly excited. No music playing in the background. All right, guys, this is it. Thanks for watching. Don't subscribe. All right, man. This is it for now, man. Till next time. This is my iPad 8th gen where I edit all my videos until I get the MacBook Pro.